In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an inventory adjustment in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to safely remove an adjustment that no longer belongs in your records. A quick note before we begin: deleting inventory adjustments changes item quantities and valuation, and it affects your financial reports. Make sure this is truly what you want to do, or consider reversing the adjustment with a correcting entry if you're unsure. Start by signing into QuickBooks Online as a user with permission to edit transactions. Once you're in, head to the gear icon at the top right of your screen. This is your main hub for settings and lists. From there, choose Chart of Accounts. The Chart of Accounts is the complete list of the accounts that organize your books, and this is where your inventory asset activity is tracked. In the list that appears, look for the inventory asset account. Depending on your setup, it might be named slightly differently, but it typically includes the words inventory asset. When you find it, open the account. You'll see an option called View Register. Click that. The register shows a chronological list of transactions that have impacted this account, including inventory adjustments. Now locate the specific inventory adjustment you want to delete. You can scroll through the register, sort by date, or scan the transaction type column for inventory adjustments. Pay attention to the date, memo, item details, and amounts to confirm you're selecting the correct one. If you manage a lot of inventory, it can be helpful to note the exact date and any reference information from your records before you proceed. Click on the transaction to open it. This brings up the full details so you can double check everything. Take a moment to confirm that this is the adjustment you intend to remove. If you delete the wrong one, it could throw off your item counts and cost calculations, so it's worth verifying now. When you're confident you've opened the correct adjustment, select Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm since this action can't be undone. Confirm the deletion to remove the transaction from the register. After confirming, the adjustment will be removed and your inventory balances and related reports will update accordingly. As a final tip, consider reviewing your inventory reports after the deletion to make sure the outcome matches your expectations. If something looks off, retrace your steps, or consult your accountant for guidance. That's it. You've successfully deleted an inventory adjustment in QuickBooks Online.